Very good evening. So today's question of the day is from Redox chapter, and here I have picked a model which is very important from NEET point of view. So let us see what they're asking. So the question says, how many moles of KMnO4 are required to oxidize 1 mole of SnCl2 in acidic medium? So here the keyword is acidic medium, very important. Now, so we are having KMnO4 and we are making it react with SnCl2 in acidic medium and acidic medium. Now we know KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Now, if KMnO4 is oxidizing agent, SnCl2 will act as reducing agent, isn't it? SnCl2 will act as reducing agent. And whenever we have acidic medium, KMnO4 from its plus 7 oxidation state, manganese from its plus 7 oxidation state turns into manganese plus 2. And here the oxidation state of tin is plus 2. Since it is a reducing agent, it has to undergo oxidation, isn't it? If manganese is undergoing reduction, then obviously tin should undergo oxidation and you will get Sn plus 4, isn't it? Anyway, to solve these questions, products are not at all required. I repeat, to solve these questions, products are not required, but you have to know what will be the N factor for each reactant. So how to do this? Please remember, whenever you're solving these kind of questions, we'll start with by equating number of gram equivalents of both the reactant. That is, for at rate Ng, number of gram equivalents of KMnO4 should always be equal to number of gram equivalents of SnCl2. Now they're asking us to find the number of moles of KMnO4 which are required to oxidize 1 mole of SnCl2. Then what do? I try to convert this number of gram equivalents into number of moles. So what is the relation between number of gram equivalents and number of moles? Number of gram equivalents is equals to number of moles into n factor. So here I can write n factor into number of moles of KMnO4 which equals to n factor of SnCl2 into number of moles of SnCl2. Now the question we have to ask is, how do you find n factor for each reactant? So in redox reactions, n factor is nothing but number of electrons involved in that chemical reaction, isn't it? So if you look here, manganese is changing from plus 7 to plus 2. That means how many electrons are involved in this reaction from plus 7 to plus 2? 5. So n factor will be 5. And we are asked to find the number of moles of KMnO4. So let it be n. Again, finding n factor for 10. Here S is plus 2. Here Sn is plus 4. So how many electrons change? 2. So it is 2. And we are told we are dealing with 1 mole of tin chloride, so on. So what do you get? N is equals to 2 by 5. So what does it mean? It means we need 2 by 5 moles. We need 2 by 5 moles of KMnO4 to oxidize 1 mole of SnCl2 in acidic medium. Okay. So this is a very important model, and we are following only one trick, which is simply by equating number of gram equivalents of one reactant with number of gram equivalents of tin chloride, SnCl2. Then in the next step, we are converting number of gram equivalents into number of moles so that we can find the number of moles of the required reactant. I hope you understood the method and you practice more questions to be more clear. Thank you. Thank you so much.